If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Gmail, don't worry. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Check recovery options. Ensure that you have access to the recovery email or phone number associated with your Gmail account. This is crucial for receiving verification codes. Step 2. Use the account recovery page. Visit the Google account recovery page. Enter your email address and follow the prompts. If verification fails, click on Try another way to explore different recovery options. Step 3. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. Providing accurate answers can help verify your identity. Step 4. Provide additional information. If the previous steps do not work, you may be asked to provide additional information, such as the last password you remember or when you created the account. Be as accurate as possible. Step 5. Wait for Google's response. If you still cannot verify your identity, you may need to wait for Google to review your case. Check your recovery email for any updates or instructions from Google. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Gmail. Good luck!